Hello and what's going on, guys? How are y'all doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Okay, this is making bread online. Making bread is the ultimate goal. Okay, so you already know this is a cryptocurrency mining app update, and there are apps that you don't have to joke with in the year 2023 and beyond. The thing about mining is that initially mining is worthless, but then once it launches, it may launch at $1, $2, $5. It depends. So let's take Bondex for an example. If you are not mining Bondex, I urge you to do so because it's a promising app. It's the Web3 of LinkedIn where you get jobs online. So currently, this is what I've mined so far, and my mining rate is 0.12 Bondex per hour. So imagine if you have mined this amount, 801. Let's do a simple math. So you say 801 times, let's say you mined 801, and it launches for $2 times 2. So you get 1,602. So this is $1,602. So imagine getting this amount from mining. It's something substantial. Then there are other mining apps also, like the Remint network. For those of you who don't know who Remint network is, it's a Web3 for real estate. That's getting real estate property, renting real estate and buying real estate properties. So some of these projects are currently worthless, if I should put it that way, but it may become a thing later in future. And the thing with Remit is that it's launching in 2024, and I think that is a year to the next bull run. So it means the project is going to pump real hard during that period. And if you're able to mine now, you sell off a lot of the coin. So presently I have 5,723. So let's do a simple math and see. 5,723 times, let's say it launches at just $2. It may be more, it may be $5, but I'm just trying to put it in a realistic amount, not an outrageous amount. So let's say it launch at $2. So this is $11,400 you've gotten for the coin, and you can sell half of it and make a substantial amount. Okay, so these are projects you don't have to joke with. And of course we have the Pi. Are still currently mining Pi. We have the B network, the Star network. So most of these projects, the link is in the description below. Then there's a recent one called the Docs, products.io. In my previous video, I must have made a video and dropped a link about the products. It's a good project. Most mining projects, some may end up good while some may not end up good, but it's good to make your research, do your own research, and look for projects that are trying to create their blockchain. That's projects that are in testnet. It's projects like that usually end up well. It's projects like that end up well. So you look for projects that are on their testnet and start mining on them. So this is what I've mined so far, 753. So imagine at launch, it launched at, let's say, $2, or I should say $3. I'm not trying to be greedy or to be outrageous in my calculation. So let's say 753 times $3. You've gotten $2,259, which you can sell. But most of these projects, they won't just allow you sell them, or they always give a 20% unlock coins to the community and lock the remaining to prevent it from dumping. So let's say 753 times 20 divide 100, so you get $150 worth, and they keep unlocking it to get it, just like what Remitano did. So that is that about this video. I'll drop the link in the description. There are some other mining projects that I may not have mentioned here, but I'll drop the link for you guys. And also your MetaMask, try and be claiming your staked rewards from your core. Do well to stake your core to improve the project, to help the community grow. Thank you.